guys, we have a box that has so many cubes inside. Look, it's level 3. It's going to be hard. Let's have a look what puzzles we can make. We can make a chicken, a pig. Let's start from making a chicken. Remember, the chicken is on a dark green font and the chicken is brown with yellow and red. Let's find those cubes. Look, we have opened the box and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cubes, and from these cubes we should make a chicken. Remember, the chicken had a dark green font. Let's look for dark green colors. Look, it's dark green. There is yellow, there is blue, and there is dark green. Let's put it there for now. Let's find another piece. Oh, look, another dark green color. Let's put it there. Let's find... Look, dark green. I see some chicken as well. Let's put it there. Let's find here a dark green. Yes, it's there. The dark green. Let's find here. Look, it's a chicken head. A half of it. Let's put it there. Oh, I see a leg. Look. Yes, well done. Now this one. No. Oh, look. Another dark green. Let's look here. Oh, another leg. Look. Well done. And the last one. Oh, it's there. Look, we found the same color and now we should be able to make a puzzle from it. Now let's make a chicken. Let's start from the head, from the top. Look, I see an eye. So it's gonna be the first cube. Let's put it there. Now, let's look what reminds you of her head. Maybe it's here. Look. Let's see. Yes, look. We found 2 pieces. Now, let's look for the third piece. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. Yay! Look, we completed a row, but we need 2 more rows. One we have, we need 2. Maybe it's this one. Or that. No, don't think so. Maybe there's this one. No. Maybe this. Yes, look, perfect. Well done. We need 2 more for this row. Let's look. Maybe this. Or like this. No. And maybe this one with the leg. No. Maybe this. No. But if we turn it... Oh, yes! Look! We completed the body. Now let's look for the last piece in this row. It should be a tail, I think. See? It's the part of a tail. But we have 2 legs, so it's definitely not gonna be there. Because look. No. So I think this one looks like a tail. Like a part of a tail. Let's see. Yes! Look! Well done! We have only 3 pieces left and the last row. Let's start with this one. Maybe we'll go there. No. Or like this. No, the legs are upside down. Maybe then this one. No. We need legs. For sure. Maybe it's this one. Yay! Well done. 2 more and we completed the chicken. This one? No. We need a leg. Oh, look. That's the leg. Yes! Well done. And the last piece goes there. Well done, kids. We completed the chicken. Look. Now, let's make a pig. We need to look for the yellow background and a pink pig. Let's search. By chicken, we need to find a pig. The pig pink and the yellow background. Oh, look, I see the yellow color. The first one is done. Let's see for the next one. Look, an eye of a pig. Yes, and the yellow background. Now, let's see. There, look, it's another eye. Let's put it there. Let's find. Oh, look, a yellow background. Yes, and half of the leg. I see some legs. Look. Now, let's look. Oh, another legs. Look. Let's put them there. Look, a tail of a pig. Let's put it there. Now, maybe this. Does it look pink to you? No, I think it's more red, maybe. Oh no. Oh, look, yellow and pink for sure. That's the pig. Now. Oh, it's a ship. Look, 2 eyes. But we need a pig. Wait. Oh, look, pink. Yes, that's what we need. And the last one. Oh, another legs. Look, well done. Now, we found all the colors. Now, let's make a puzzle. Let's complete it. Let's start with the head. This is going to be, I think, the first cube because it has an eye and the ear and it looks like the part of the head. Now we need to find the second part of the head. Maybe it's there. This one? No, it's legs. We need an eye. Maybe this? No. Oh, look, I see some eyes. I think... Yes! Well done! Let's look for the third piece in this row. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Oh, maybe it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 logs now. Now let's make the second row. We need to complete the head. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe it's this one. No. Oh, I think it's this one. Look. Yes. Well done. Amazing job. Now let's find the second one. Maybe it's this one. No, it's the legs. Maybe this one. No. No. Oh, look, this one. Yay, we completed the head. Look, 2 eyes and a nose. Now, let's find the third one. Maybe it's this one. No. Maybe the legs. No. Oh, I know. It's this one. No, but it should be this one. Oh, we had to turn it. Look. The tail is complete as well. Now let's complete the third row and the legs. Let's take this one. No. No, the legs are upside down. What am I doing? Oh, I think it's going to be this one. Yay! Well done! We have 2 pieces left. I think this one will be first. No. It looks like it fits, but no. Look, it's missing pink there. There should be pink as well. Maybe then it's this one. Yes! Well done! And the last 2 legs are going to be there! Yay! The pic is complete! Thank you, kids! Bye! See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe!